In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Coda and manage your docs with confidence. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Coda. Any modern browser will do, and going straight to the Coda homepage gets you into the right workspace quickly. If this is something you'll use often, consider bookmarking the page so it's always within reach. Next, sign into your account. You'll typically see a sign in button near the top of the page. Once you're in, you'll land on the home area where your content and navigation live. If you are already signed in, you'll be taken there automatically. From here, you're ready to explore your documents. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a sidebar. This is your primary navigation hub, with sections like My Docs, All Docs, and your workspaces. Think of it as the map for everything you or your team are working on. If you ever feel lost, coming back to this sidebar will quickly reorient you. Click My Docs to view the documents you created. This section focuses on content you own, making it easy to find personal projects, drafts, or anything you've started. You'll see a list of titles and visual cues like icons or thumbnails that help you recognize your docs at a glance. It's a great place to jump back into ongoing work. When you need a broader view, click All Docs. This pulls in documents from across your workspaces, as well as anything that's been shared with you. It's especially helpful when a file belongs to a team space or when you're collaborating and aren't sure where the doc lives. Use this view when you want the big picture of everything available to you. To open a document, simply click its title. The doc will load and you'll be taken directly into its contents. If you're browsing several items, you can always return to the previous page using your browser's back button or the sidebar. Inside the document, look to the left panel to navigate between pages and sections. Many Coda docs are organized into multiple pages, and some include nested sections for structure. Clicking a page name instantly switches your view, helping you move smoothly from overview pages to deeper detailed sections. Across the top, you'll find the Documents toolbar. This is where you access editing and sharing options. Use it to adjust formatting, manage views, and control how others can interact with the doc. It's designed to keep key tools visible so you can focus on your content without hunting for menus. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.